Aspen. Today I'm going to show you how to make frozen snow. The materials you're going to be needing are glitter, baking soda, and shaving cream. Oh, and I forgot, you're also going to need the biggest bowl that you can find. Like, so I have this huge bowl that's a popcorn bowl. Or it's for anything, like pasta or anything. So, let's see, anyway, like, once you're serving it, not like for food. Anyway, first you're going to start with baking soda. So I'm going to open up my baking soda. Kind of hard to open, but if you need help, yeah. And you guys can make a video of your own too, and I'll definitely check out. I already made one. Just come sandwiches in there. Now I'm gonna pour it in there. Pour all of it in there. So we're gonna pour all that powder in there, all of it. So this is how much you have to pour. You have to pour a lot in there. Like, you have to pour the whole thing. As you can see down in there. Anyway, so now you're going to take your shaving cream and, yeah. I need my dad to tell me how I push this down. Daddy, how do you push it down? I don't shave like you. Oh my God, that's gross. Oh my God, it's overflowing. It looks like popcorn. Now you have to put your hand in there and stir it around. So I can't believe I'm doing. Because I don't ever want to touch shaving cream. No. It's soft. Oh my God, that's soft. Ew, gross. Ew. That's gross. My arms. Ew. Oh, that's so soft. Anyway, I feel some of the cream in there because I found some. I'm just gonna rub my hands in there. Ew, gross! That's disgusting. Okay, keep stirring it until you get all that cream out. You get all that cream to the. You get all that baking soda in that cream, this cream thing. It looks like a cream. This is gross. Then you're gonna wash your hands. That's just gross. Okay, so I went a little overboard and put in way too much shaving cream, because it was overflowing, and so I just recommend using only half a can if you do this, because so luckily we had another box of baking soda, so we added that, and now my mom's gonna come over and put some glitter in. So come, put some glitter. You add glitter, it's gonna be awesome. So she's adding so much glitter. Apple. I'd like apple. Apple. And then we're gonna mix it in there. It's gonna be awesome. Because that will like snaps. Oh my God, my hands are open. It's awesome. I love it. This looks like a cookie. A big fat cookie. It's not finished. Apple. Snowball. Throw it at you. Bam. So I made a snowball. Okay, so we have this mat that I'm gonna put the dough on and make stuff, and yeah, the snowman or something. My brother calls me, my little bro calls me Apple. It's close to Aspen, but not my name.
It's cool.
Anyway, so this is a really cool tutorial. I'm at Aspen So I made a snowman, yeah! Do you want to build a snowman? Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go play. I never see you anymore. I'm at the door, it's like you've gone away. We only have each other, it's just you and me. What are we gonna do? Do you want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. Okay. Bye. Like whenever you wash your hands, it doesn't stick. See, it's not sticking that much. So like you just, it's barely coming apart. I'm just gonna stir it around. And, pat my hands around. And it's barely sticking that much. I just finished making my snowman. Now I'm knocking over. So, ready, Punchy? We're gonna have a war, man. We're gonna have a war. Yeah! Now, you win. Fine, you win. Nah! Nah! And again, I won. Wow. Can you at least give me my eyes and nose back? Yes, they're back. So, we're finished. I had a lot of fun. Once playtime's over, I have another thing I want to show you. So we're going to pour vinegar in it, and then it's going to erupt like a volcano. So, yeah. Now I'm going to pour the vinegar in. Holy cow, I'm going to pour all of it in there. Oh my God, I'm going to play with it. I'm going to play with it. I'm just going to. Uh-oh. You can play with it. Oh. You want to play with it? Huh? It stinks even more. Huh? Smells like oil. No! Smells like oil. I had a lot of fun making this. It really is a good science experiment. It only cost a few dollars, like $3 or $4, and it just took a few simple ingredients: baking soda, glitter, and shaving cream, and it really felt like snow, and it sticks together really well. And if you guys can do this, if you guys did this, then comment down below. And it was really fun, so please comment down below if you made this. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Peace.